Schoolify is your ultimate toolbox for teaching. It's packed with custom teaching tools, and they're made to work together seamlessly. Plan your lesson from beginning to end with Document Builder. Then bring your lesson alive with Schoolify's multifunctional whiteboard. And finally, hook everything to your planned lesson. Schoolify has loads of other functions. You can easily manage all your files in one place, color code them, plan your time, days, or even weeks ahead. Use a timer, random picker, or team maker to spice things up. Create templates to save time, and so much more, all in one platform. You can use Schoolify anywhere, on your phone, computer, or on a big screen. Schoolify is made in collaboration with teachers and security in mind. Schoolify, developed with love from Estonia.